Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view your video recordings on your Xbox Series X. And there's two different ways that you can do this. So if you press the Xbox button and then tab on over to where it says Captures and Shares, we can go on down to where it says Recent Captures. And then we can watch our recent captures under this screen. All you have to do is click them and they'll bring you to a larger screen where you can see the entire video recording. Otherwise, what we can do is go down to where it says Show All. And then we can see everything into like a thumbnail type format where we can select it and then start watching it. So it'll also give you the length of time and the date that this was recorded. Now, the second way that you can access this is by going to the Xbox button and then go to My Games and Apps right here, go to See All, and then we want to go down to Apps, and then we want to go to the Capture app right here. And it'll bring you back to basically the same screen where you can access all your different video recordings. So let's go ahead and select one. So I was playing Fortnite 24 days ago. So if I select this, it's going to allow me to view this video recording. And it'll give me other options where I can share it, I can delete it, I can go to the official club, or here's some more options. I can rename it. So let's go back now and then press options on this. And here are the options for this. So I can upload it to OneDrive, I can copy it to an external drive, or I can go to Xbox support. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.